Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 12. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. So the first word that I have for you is sedulous. Friends, sedulous means industrious, or you can say showing dedication. Its Hindi meaning is mehinti. Now we are going to talk about its sentence. Its sentence is, the young woman was sedulous. Its synonym is assiduous. The next word is procrastinate. Procrastinate means postpone or delay. In Hindi you can say deri karna. Now its sentence, people often procrastinate when it comes to paperwork. Its synonym is dawdle. The next word is perfidious. Friends, perfidious means deceitful and untrustworthy. In Hindi it is bewafa. Now its sentence is, he was a perfidious lover. Its synonym is traitorous. The next word is obliterate. Obliterate means wipe out. Its Hindi meaning is mita dena. Now its sentence, the memory was so painful that he obliterated it from his mind. Its synonym is eradicate. So moving to our next word, which is nosegay. Repeat after me, nosegay. Nosegay means a small bunch of flowers. In Hindi you can say guldasta. Its sentence is, my friend presented a nosegay on my birthday. Its synonym is bouquet. The next word that I have for you is observeit. Friends, observeit means scold. In Hindi it is dantna. Now its sentence, the boss observated his secretary. Its synonym is chide. The next word is jocund. Friends, jocund means cheerful and light-hearted. In Hindi you can say khush. Its sentence is, her jocund character made her the most popular girl in the country. Its synonym is jovial. The next word that I have for you is gregarious. Friends, gregarious means sociable. In Hindi you can say झुंड में रहने वाला. A person who is fond of company. Its sentence is, he was a popular and gregarious man. Its synonym is amiable. The next word that I have for you is culpable. Friends, culpable means deserving blame. In Hindi you can say gunehgar. Its sentence is, the judge found the man culpable. Its synonym is blameworthy. Last but not least is prodigious. Friends, prodigious means extremely great in ability or size. In Hindi you can say बहुत बड़ा. Now its sentence, he has a prodigious appetite. Its synonym is enormous. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of jovial? A. Sedulous, B. Dawdle, C. Jocund, D. Obliterate. Give me answer of this question in comment box.